Good morning. Today we're going to unbox the Turnigy Evolution. This is an old transmitter. It came out around a year or so ago, but it's the first transmitter that came in the now familiar game controller form factor. Let's open it. So it comes with a read-along manual. It's a fairly comprehensive manual that most won't probably read. So let's set this aside. We have a receiver, the Turnigy IA6C, so it doesn't have the PWM pads or pins, and it only has S-Bus and PPM pins, so it's for the newer FCs out there. We have a USB cable. It's a micro USB. It's good. And the transmitter itself. It comes with this nice cover that protects the gimbals and the screen. Let's pop it off. Okay, here's the transmitter. It's got a modern minimalist look to it. So we have full-size gimbals, which are very smooth. We have the power button here and a 2-position switch. So I'd probably assign this as the arming switch. And then you have a potentiometer here. Which you can pop in to protect it from turning and pop out. And then at the back, there's 2 3-position switches, and that's about it. So the USB is here. So there's a USB port here for charging the built-in batteries. It comes with rechargeable batteries. So you charge to here, and you also use this port for simulators. So we can actually turn this on. The gimbals change color when you move the sticks around, and you can actually customize the colors that you want to show. The screen is touchscreen. So that's 2 less buttons. It's your typical FlySky UI, so I think it's FlySky who originally manufactured this for Turnigy. It looks good. Let's compare it to the FrSky X Lite. So here they are side by side. The Evolution looks a bit bigger because the screen is at the top, but the grip is smaller, so it fits my hands better. My hands are smaller. Unlike this one, it's a little bit bigger because the batteries are here, so it's a bit bulkier, but I suppose it's good for bigger hands. One more thing that you will notice is the size of the stick. So the X Lite has smaller sticks with far less travel compared to the Evolution, which is essentially a full-sized stick. So it actually took a while for me to get used to the stick feel of the X Lite, but it's just a matter of getting used to it. So overall, I would say that this is a good transmitter. It was designed for quadcopters, and it's still good at that. There are newer transmitters like the FrSky X Lite, and it can still be compared to those. Of course, the FrSky X Lite is more advanced with OpenTX and all those things. But for beginners and most users, this is quite sufficient already. So that's it for my quick unboxing and overview of the Turnigy Evolution. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.